Hi all, I'm making this video because Friday's post is a little long and I just want to have it read so then you can hear it as well. Hello all, please read today's post so you know what I expect today and this weekend. First one, today is our health and wellness focus day. Click on the Flipgrid link. Oh crap, I didn't include the link. Click on the Flipgrid link to complete our health and wellness activity for the day. Extra credit. Send me an email on how many squats I actually did since I lost count. The Dart vs. the Dart 2.0 video has finally been uploaded to Thursday, October 7th material. I said I was going to make that yesterday, but I just couldn't. I want you to watch the video to help you complete the experiment properly. If you already turned yours in, that's great. I'll look over the assignments that were turned in, and I'll return the doc if you need to make any changes. Since the instructional video didn't get posted until today, I am pushing the assignment due date for Thursday back to Monday, October 12th. This gives you more time. It's not fair to tell you I'll have a resource for you and then not have it available the day before it's due. That's not fair. I also know the weekend is meant to be relaxing, so I want to make sure y'all have plenty of time to work on it at some point. If you have any questions regarding Thursday, October 7th's assignment, man, I'm getting all my days mixed up. Thursday, October 8th's assignment, let me know and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible.